Okay, everyone, we're in Florida this time. We got on an airplane, flew down here, picked up our parts in Georgia. We're doing another retail store, so we rented a truck, got it right at the airport, ordered a bunch of tools to a buddy's place, and we've got everything we need to do an install off the old Amazons. Yeah, we're here at the store. It's a holiday. I guess it's the inauguration of the Donald Trump, the American president there. So there's nobody here, but we managed to get access to the store, get some keys, get inside. We're gonna do an unload and an evaluation on everything we've got, make sure we've got everything. It's kind of a downside because we were supposed to just do the install and like leave, but it's also kind of turned out to be a blessing because we can kind of take our time with this. Also, there's nobody here, so we can just do our thing, get everything where we're situated, and then assembly. They want the people at the store to be there, but yeah, we're doing the thing. We're doing it. We're figuring it out. We're buying tools, buying ratchet straps, picking up parts from the United States, delivering them to stores, and installing them. I think getting back on an airplane, and we'll probably ship. I'm gonna give the hammer drill away and then give the rest of the tools away and maybe ship like one. I might keep the socket, the impact driver drill set. I'll see if they let me take it on a plane. If not, I'll just give it away. So yeah, hopefully I can make it through this. Okay, so we're in the store. Tyler, my employee, and I are have unwrapped everything. We spent, I don't know, we got here this morning and yeah, we've been here all day. Spent some time getting everything unwrapped, laid out where it's supposed to go. So this like stands up, goes over there, this goes there, this goes here, kind of thing. So these are the handrails that were built just like the last store in Chicago. So this one's different because it's got that's like a shelving thing. So yeah, they're bolted together now. They're two pieces for transportation, and they get bolted together. So we've got them laid out in the order, like these two go together, these two go together, they're gonna bolted together. These are organized by where they go, so they're numbered too as well. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the way up to 10 there. They go on this wall, which has apparently a 3/4 inch backer in it, and some studs, so hopefully it holds it. There's a lot of weight in steel here. Yeah, so we have that to deal with, so hopefully that goes okay. Then the contract says floor must be concrete. Floor is not concrete, floor is tile. So we just did a test hole to see if we can drill through this stuff without just totally destroying the tile. And it worked. Like, we didn't crack the tile, but we have 4, 8, 12, like we have like 100 holes to drill, so like that's not a great example. So we're just gonna try our best, have a conversation with them in the morning and see how that all pans out. But yeah, final install tomorrow, and then I can take a deep breath and relax for a minute. We've got maybe a day and a half of stuff that we can do in Florida here, so we're gonna go, and if this goes okay, then we're gonna go to do some sightseeing things, maybe go to a museum, maybe a boat tour, like one of those airboat tours. We'll see how much time we've got and see what we can do, but I want to try to enjoy it. Before the install I'm very but after the install I'm happy. So yeah, got all our tools in here and we're ready for the morning, as ready as we're gonna be. I think we'll go to the hardware store now and grab a couple things that might make our lives a little bit easier tomorrow, and yeah, go get food and hit hotels and sleep. So see you tomorrow. Hey everybody. Okay, so we got the Florida job done. Everything went off without a hitch for the most part. I'm pretty happy about it, and I'll throw in some pictures now. Sorry I don't have any video. There was a lot of people working there. I'm in another country, and I don't know. I felt weird busting out a camera with like people, like reps and stuff there, and other contractors and stuff. I took some photos to try and show you what we were doing. It's not crazy stuff, but it's really cool that we get to go places. So yeah, we went on a gator tour, and that was pretty cool. We went to a museum too. That museum turned out to be more of like a daycare than a museum. Was not impressed with it, but it is what it is. The last time we went on a trip, we went to Chicago, and Chicago's Griffin Science Museum, Science and Industry or something, is, so I think it kind of ruined other smaller museums for me. But yeah, our next one is going to be in New York. I don't think it's upstate. I think it's just like an hour north of New York City. So I don't know if that where upstate starts, but it's not quite, you know, Times Square or anything, but it's not going to be far from it. So yeah, we're gonna try and figure out some cool stuff to do down there. I'll bring the camera with me as well. Same thing again, just going to be some shelves and some handrails and stuff to drop off and help facilitate the installation. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I know it wasn't the craziest video kind of thing, but I just wanted to share with you guys what we were doing, what we're working on. I'm back in the frozen tundra of Canada, so it's kind of weird to go from like 13 degrees to negative something. But honestly, we got really lucky. It was like negative 27 while we were gone for like a few days, and it was like 13 or 14 degrees, which is really cold for Florida, but like really nice for February or January or whatever month it is. So yeah, we kind of skipped a really bad cold spout, which was cool because it's not that cold here anymore. It's like 10 below or something like that, or less. So yeah, thanks for watching. This camera's gonna fall over again. I'm gonna let you go. Okay, bye.